It is common for a parent or primary caregiver to want to add other caregivers to their family, so everyone can stay up to date on all their kids' programs. This is easy to do on both the web and within the iPhone or Android apps. On the web, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In the top right, tap on your profile icon and then tap Family. On the Family page, you will see the Students and Contacts tab. Tap on the Contacts tab where you can add caregivers, authorized pickups, or emergency contacts. To add a caregiver, tap Add Another Caregiver. Input the email address, first name, and last name. You can also add the role and phone number. It is important to designate the caregiver as a primary caregiver if you wish to give the person the ability to manage enrollments, answer custom questions and waivers, or add emergency contacts and authorized pickups. Once you tap the orange Invite Caregiver button, an email is sent inviting the caregiver to join your family. They will be added to all of your existing programs. If you want to customize which caregivers are involved in which programs, go back to the Family page and go to the Students tab. Select a student to go to their student profile. In this case, under Art Experiments and Transformations, you can go to the Contacts tab and choose which caregivers as well as which authorized pickups and emergency contacts to associate with this specific program. To add a caregiver on the app, tap the profile icon in the top left. Then under the Family section, tap the appropriate family. In this case, there is one family, the Gordon family. Under the Caregivers section, tap Add a New Caregiver. Add the information, including the type of caregiver, then tap the green Add Caregiver button. This adds the caregiver to all the active classes of the family. If you want to further customize which caregivers are part of certain programs, on the Families page under the Students section, select the appropriate student to go to their student detail. In this case, for the Art Experiments and Transformations program, you can show the Contacts tab, the Payments tab, or the Questions and Waivers tab. Select the Contacts tab, and then under Caregivers, Authorized Pickups, and Emergency Contacts, you can choose which individual to assign to this specific program.